Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen. It could be quite a few Volkswagen models guys. Some of those could be Volkswagen Tiguan, Jetta, Golf, Passat, CC, Beetle guys, Touareg, if you have one of those. And if you're trying to find where the electronic parking brake module is located, stay with us where we will explain what you can expect to find on most Volkswagen vehicles. It's hidden guys, not very complicated to get to, but you need to know, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We guys take them completely apart. We show you how to fix anything from body damage, transmissions, bodywork, panels, anything you can think of guys, fuses, relays, electrical. Why we do all that? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any tools, parts for your car at a really good price, quick shipping, we'll put links in the description of the video below where you can get them, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So what you can expect to find the parking brake module guys, the electronic parking brake module. Let's go ahead and explain that now on this Volkswagen Tiguan, but many Volkswagens will use exactly that design. So what do we have here? Let me close the door now. You have the electronic parking brake button right here. You don't have the cables like back in the day, mechanical brakes, everything is computerized. And it's right under that air duct. So if we remove the air duct, right underneath guys, okay, is where the switch is. And that switch guys, okay, is just a switch practically that activates it on and off practically thing. So it's not here, the module for the parking brake is not here. When you activate the switch, it will go through the module, it will think, okay, it will see if the car is in motion, if it's not, and all that stuff. But you have a motor on the rear calipers that will be activated, and that rotor and that motor will turn the parking brake on. But where you can expect to find the module guys, the computer, that's actually the computer for the parking brake. So we have the console removed. Now some Volkswagens will differ, but in order to remove the console you may have some hidden screws here, there. We have two right there, some hidden screws on the side here as well, towards the front guys, and here one on the side. So once we removed it guys, okay, and you get to it, you have the shifter here, you have the expec system, and here underneath, right under the parking brake switch, you have a computer. That computer guys, in most cases, okay, will be your parking brake module, electronic parking brake module. Most of the times it will be located under the center console. Not on all vehicles, all models Volkswagen, but quite a few of them guys, for any of you looking for that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful, and see you next time.